Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy. I'm back for another video. As you can see, I have a box here and we're going to do unboxing. Yes, this is our first unboxing for 2025 and this might be the last. I'm planning to do the no buy challenge for 2025. So in the future videos, I'm going to share with you the bags that I already have. I hope you still support me with no buy challenge. Let's proceed to our unboxing. So I got two bags in here. This is from the brand The Horse. This is a brand from Australia. I did buy before. I made a video of their bags, the Clementine and the Alexitote. If you're interested, I will link the video on the description box below. I bought this bag last year and I really didn't get a chance to open it. And I said, why not do it for the first video of 2025 to unbox this one. Without further ado, let's open this box. Yeah, I got a bag last year, the Clementine and the Alexitote from the Horse, and I'm enjoying using that. So when they had sale, I saw these two items that I've been eyeing for, so I said, why not? It's a good price. It's a good timing to buy bags during sale. So here it is. This is what we got from the Horse. So this is just their care card. This is the first bag, and then I have a bigger one. Ooh, a bigger bag. I got two bags from the Horse. Here it is. Here, as you can see, small one and a big one. Let's start with this small one. I was looking at this bag when it came out, but then at the time I don't want to spend money. But when it was on sale, I think this was their promo was 30% off. So I said, that's a good discount. No tax, free shipping. Why not? And here it is. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess? This is the mini Clementine in the color charcoal, and this one has the gold hardware. Ooh, it's cute. It's in the charcoal. It looks like, I don't know if it's charcoal. I'm expecting more grayish, but it has like more brown undertone to this bag. It is cute. 360 look. There you go. And it comes with a crossbody strap. Let's get it. We'll do a different video for more detailed look at this bag. Okay, so right now we'll just do the unboxing and show it to you. I think I still have to do the video for the Clementine bag. I haven't done that, but I've been using it lately, so I can have like an initial review of that. But this one looks so cute. At least you have an idea. So this is what it looks like. It's so cute. The strap is short. Yeah, so we'll make a separate video on this one, on the mini Clementine. But first impression, I like it. It's cute. Now let's do the second bag. So this is the bigger bag, as you can see. Let's open it. So when this first came out too, I wanna buy it, but I waited until it goes on sale. Like, I'm not in a rush to buy it, but as soon as I saw the promo code, the 30% discount, I said, why not? I think there's only two choices for the color, or three. I think they have the black, the oat, and I think this is the oat. Oh, that's not good. The leather is peeling. Maybe it's an excess. I don't know if you can see in there. Like, feels like it's peeling. Maybe just excess leather. Peeling off. Ooh, that's not good. We'll see. Probably I'll try wearing this right away to see if it's really damaged or it's just from, like, since it's new, they haven't really cleaned it. But anyway, I think this is in the color oat. So this is the Mae bag. Currently, as I'm filming this video, it is on sale. I think it's 159 right now. This is their shoulder bag. It's like shoulder bag version of the Clementine. And I'm interested when I saw this one came out. I think this is like, this design was just released last year, I believe. Okay, so there you go. 360 look at this bag. We'll make more video on this bag, like initial review. I'm expecting the shoulder strap will be like longer because this one feels so short, it would not even fit my shoulder. Why is that? I thought it's going to be like um longer shoulder strap, you know, slouch. Oh, I haven't been filming in a while, so it's like brand new again. So when you wear it, it will give a slouch like the Clementine slouch. And then when you wear it, oh, I don't know if it's gonna be comfortable. So that's my first impression. I'm kind of not liking this bag. Oh well. Anyway, I'll be using this and see and make a review on this bag. Right now, not really. I didn't like it. That's my first impression. This one, it looks cute and I'm liking the size. But we're gonna play with this bag too. So we'll put a video soon on my initial review on these two bags. If you haven't watched my video from the brand The Horse, I'll just put it here for the Clementine unboxing and also for the initial review of the Alexi Toad. So I'll see you soon. Until next time, bye.